Okay, very exciting stuff here today because we are going to start reading Christmas books. We're going to start with Little Blue Truck's Christmas by Alice Schertle. It's a little darker in here, but I think you'll still be able to see. It's a cozy kind of night, so it has to happen. I have my blanket. I have a delicious cup of hot tea I'm going to take a sip of before we start reading. Maybe you have some hot chocolate. Highly recommend. Unless you're really just now getting ready for bed, and then probably not the best call. All right, let's get to reading, huh? Let's see. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? One tree, two trees, three trees, four. Just enough room for one tree more. Five green trees make one big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. One tree left in a little blue truck. One tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end. Oh, very fun. Okay, if you're not going to stick around for more, good night, sleep tight. Auntie Kiki loves you. And so does Jack.